Okay, here's the new cage. That's a bigger cage, about twice the size of the old cage. That one over there. That's too small for that. So that's the bigger one. Okay, what have we got here? See, the red face is sweet, and Olive is the girl hiding in the bamboo there. She got in and she made herself home. We have some millets over there. Okay, the water over there. Some more point to eat over here. I'm going to put a tub of water inside there. Some steps to walk up and down. There's another swing with a string around it. It's for soft footing. Somehow they like this one. I don't know why. And it appears that both of them are getting used to the cage. Not too bad. Quiet right now. Look at him.